Welcome. In front of me is a BIGME HiBreak Pro, and today I will show you how we can enable power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, open up your settings and in here scroll all the way down. And before I do that, I'm going to quickly check there is a power management option right here, but this one is some power saving shutdown options and schedule shutdown. That's about it. So anyway, we're gonna go back and under more settings right here, just go back. There we go. Under more settings, you'll be taken to the actual Android settings, and here you can see battery option, and in here you'll find battery saver. You can click on it and turn it on or set it up as a schedule. Now, battery saver typically saves power by limiting things like screen brightness, refresh rate, and so on, and also connection to network through Wi-Fi and mobile data. So in this phone's case, the only thing that will be changing is the way it interacts with mobile data and Wi-Fi, which means that it will most likely be disconnecting from it when you're not using the phone. This will result in you not having any kind of notifications when you're not using the device. As the screen options like the lower refresh rate and stuff like that don't really affect the phone at all because of its e-ink display. So anyway, that's about it. To turn it off, you would have to go back there again to the settings, more settings and battery. But yeah, in any case, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.